Hi everyone, today we will look another part of chapter 8 measures of dispersion for ungrouped data, that is construct and interpret the box plot for a set of ungrouped data. So now we look what is a box plot for a set of ungrouped data. Box plot is a way of showing the distribution of a set of data based on 5 values, namely the minimum value, first quartile, median, third quartile, and the maximum value of the set of data. The box plot can show whether the set of data is symmetric about the median. The box plot is often used to analyze a large number of data. So these are some examples of box plot. So the first type 1, okay, we can see Q1 is first quartile. So the box plot, this is the box. So start with first quartile, and the box is in the center got another line that is M. M is median. That means median is at the center of first quartile and third quartile. So Q3 is third quartile. So here this will be the range starting from this value until this value. So for type 2, Q1, this is the smallest value, then followed by first quartile, then the median. The median is now near to first quartile. Just now for type 1, the median is at the center. Now the median is near to first quartile. Then you have third quartile, and this one is the largest value. For type 3, okay, you have this is the smallest value, followed by the box here, first quartile, then median. Now the median is near to third quartile. So this is third quartile and this is the largest value. These are examples of box plots. Maybe the median can be at the center or near to the first quartile or the third quartile. Okay, so you have to calculate first quartile, median, and third quartile before you draw box plot. So how do you construct a box plot? The box plot is constructed on a number line. Consider the data below. The data below shows the marks obtained by 15 pupils in a Chinese language test. So given the marks 35, 40, 42, 45, 52, 52, 53, 57, 62, 62, 66, 68, 73, 73, and 75. So here the data is arranged in ascending order. So first we identify where is the median. So total we have 15 data. So we look the center. So the center will be 57. Sorry. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. The other side 2, 4, 6, 7. So 57, correct. No? That means you will have 7 data here, 3, 4, 7, and the other side also you have 7 data. Okay, from this 7 data, okay, this will be your median. Okay, for the first part of the 7 data, we find the middle. So this is the first quartile. Then for the second part of the data, we find the center value. So this is the third quartile. So for you already determine the median, okay, then the minimum value. Okay, the smallest value is 35. Okay, then we already determine the first quartile 45, median 57, third quartile 68, and the maximum value is 75. So from here we can draw a box plot. Okay, first what you do, you draw the marks first, the range from 35 until 75. That means the lowest value 35 until 75. Make sure your range here same, no? That means here you from 35, okay, you need the difference is 5. The difference here is 5. The size of the scale here is 5. So the next number will be 45 lah. Then 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So always remember, make sure that your scale are uniformly distributed. So here if the difference is 5, make sure all the scales the difference are 5. So minimum value, you put a dot here, 35, then you put a dot, then followed by first quartile. First quartile, you start draw the box. Okay, you start to draw the box until the third quartile. You draw a box from first quartile 45 until 68. No? You must know how to read. This is 68. That means from 65 to 70, you got 10 small boxes. So that means 2 small boxes will be represents 1 unit. That means 65. Then another 2 boxes is 66. Another 2 box is 67, and another 2 box is 68. Okay, you can refer your textbook at page 226. Then you draw the median. Median, okay, fine, 57. 2, 4. 2 units is represents 1. So 56, 57. Then you draw a line for median. Please don't forget to put the dot. No? Dot. Make sure the dots are on the same line. Okay, all the dots are at the same line. Then after you draw this box, then you draw the median. Then please draw then the last part will be the maximum value. So maximum value is 75. So this is how we draw the box plot. Okay, start with minimum value, then you draw a box. The box from first quartile to third quartile, you draw the box, then you draw the median, then you draw the maximum value. Okay, please draw a line here now, from the box to the maximum value and from the box to the minimum value. So make sure all the dots are on the same line. Okay, next we can look example 12, page 227. 2 box plots are given below. For each box plot, state the median, the first quartile, the third quartile, the interquartile range, the minimum value, the maximum value, the range. So we look part A, median. So you must know, when you see the box plot, you must know where is the median. Median is this one. So what is the value for the median? Okay, you must know how to read. Now this is from 50 to 60. So you have 5 small boxes. So that means one small box represents 2 units. So that means 50 will become 52. Okay, 52. Median is 52. Then the first quartile, this is the first quartile. So make sure you know how to read 30, then 32, 34, then 36. But this dot is at the center of 34 and 36. So it will become 35. So first quartile is 35. Next, third quartile. This is the dot for third quartile. So 60, 62, 64. So third quartile is 64. So interquartile range is 60, third quartile minus first quartile. So 64 minus 35. So you get 29. Minimum value, okay, the first smallest value here. So this is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So minimum value is 18. Then maximum value. Maximum value is, the dot is at 80. So maximum value is 80. Range. Range is the largest value minus smallest value. That is the maximum value 80 minus the minimum value 18. So the range is 62. So this is for part A. Part B. Part B, okay, the first part, median. Median, okay, now we look the range first, the scale. So here's 10, 15. So that means you got 5 small boxes. Then the one box represents 1 unit. So that means 10, 11. Median is 11. Then first quartile. So first quartile, the dot is at 5. So first quartile is 5. Then third quartile. Third quartile, okay, is after 21. So after 20, there is 21. So third quartile is 21. Interquartile range is third quartile minus first quartile. So 21 minus 5, that is 16. So next, minimum value. Minimum value, okay, 0. Okay, is at 0. And maximum value is at 35. So the range is maximum value minus minimum value. 35 minus 0 is 35. So I hope all of you understand this part of chapter 8. So thanks for watching.